Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this very beautiful sleeves. And this sleeves goes well with a plain kameez or kurta or kurti, and let me show you how to make this in very simple and easy method. And if you don't want miss any of my future video, please do subscribe my channel, and also to get a latest update do follow my Instagram page. And if you like this video and if you want more videos, don't forget to hit on the bell icon below. So let's get into the video. To make this beautiful sleeve, all you're going to do is prepare a sleeve cutting. I have already made a sleeve exactly like a 3/4 of a sleeve, and now I'm just marking a 3 inch towards the center of the sleeves. This is the folded edge of the sleeves, and I just took a piece of fabric, and the dimension of the fabric would be 4:4. Okay, and just mark the center point of the piece of the fabric, and you're going to finish off the raw edge just by folding on the sides. Just one fold is more than enough. Okay, so you're going to sew towards the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, so once it's sewn, all you're going to do is you're going to place this on the sleeves. So this is my sleeves, and I'm going to place this piece of fabric towards the pretty side of the sleeves, and I'm going to sew it like a V. Okay, once after sewing, I'm just going to make a slit, and I'm going to turn this fabric to the wrong side of the sleeves. This should be stretched on the center of the sleeves, just like the midpoint of the sleeves. So after turning this out, just put a top stitch to secure the placket. So after this, I'm going to take a contrasting color fabric. So I took a dark red color cotton fabric, and I have folded that in half. So the width of the fabric is 40 inches, and the length of the fabric is 20 inches on either side. So for the one side, I just took 20 inches, and I'm going to make a cut like this. I'm just going to cut this out. So there's a width of 4 inches. So you can take any kind of contrasting color. So all you're going to do is just iron both the raw edge, and you're going to fold it again like this. So once it's been ironed, pressed firmly, it's going to look somewhat like this. All you're going to do is you're going to check till where the sleeve is going to end, the slit point of the sleeve. Just mark that in place and pin that place. Just give it a marking, like a marking. Just open that and fold it towards the pretty side facing together, and just I'm pinning that in place on the exact marked point. And towards the end point, all I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this piece of fabric like a curve shape at the end. So from the folded edge, it's going to come all the way down like such, and I'm going to finish that off till that needle mark. Okay, so I'm going to sew on the exact marked line till the needle point. Okay, so these sleeves goes well with a normal plain color kurti, and of course it's going to look really trendy. Okay, so till the needle point, I'm just going to sew with the back stitch, and I'm going to turn this fabric right side out. So I'm just using a pencil to turn this fabric. Okay, so very simple, very easy to make. So once it's been turned out, take your sleeves, and you can see it's been turned nice and neat like this. So you'd be having some open edge like this, and you're going to just tuck in the sleeve part into the red color fabric like such, and I'm going to sew on top of this. Just pin that in place before stitching that together. Lots and lots of pinning is very important in sewing. It's a part of sewing, you can't skip that step. Okay, So once it's been pinned, I'm going to sew straight like this, and I'm going to do the same to the next side like such, and I'm going to pin that in place too. So if you don't want to skip any of my video, do follow my Instagram page. I'll be updating a lots of small tricky videos. Sure, be entertained. And also do subscribe my channel, and if you want like videos like this, do hit on the thumbs up button below. So same way I'm going to sew to the next side of the strip. So ended up with some back stitch so that it holds tight at the ends. And once it's done, it's going to look like this. So pretty, so simple and beautiful and elegant. And hope you like this video. And as I told, if you like this video, don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. And see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.